How do? Sandra's laughing. What am I doing today? I'm going to fit a light switch. It's going to be a 240 volt light switch. A lot of people say you can't use them. I'm going to prove you wrong, that you can use them. There is a difference because the switch is 10 amp. Now there is a difference when you get your watts and your volts and all that shit. She's laughing at me. We don't know. Yeah, if you watch how many watts going, volts, whatever, you're safe. I mean, I've got a TV, it's got 22 watts. The Wi-Fi that I'm going to attach to it is only nothing really, 1 amp. That's when it's running. The TV, I forgot what it is now, 2 amps. It's 2 amps while running, while on, 0.5 amps when on standby. So yeah, that's the only thing you've got to watch. Now, I'm not an electrician, like I'm going to say. I don't need to say that then, do I? Right, so yeah, so I'm going to just show you how you can use a 240 volt or 230 volt, whatever you want to call it, as 12 volt. How do? Sandra's sewing. Look, doing some curtains. Right, today I am going to be fitting a 2-gang switch. Voila, this. One is going to switch on, switch off the TV, 12 volt TV. One, when I get it, me motorhome Wi-Fi. It's only a 10 amp switch, and also the TV, from what I can gather, is 3 amp. That's all. Motorhome Wi-Fi is 1 amp. But I'm just saying, I'm no electrician, so if any of you follow this, blow yourself up or cause a fire, I'm not liable, because like I say, I am no electrician. I'm just going off what I've been told through Google, so blame Google. Yeah, so what I've done so far is I've fit me 12 volt cigarette lighter there, which is at the front of the van, because the TV is going up there. There it is there. The wires are going through the cupboard and the switch is going to be there. As I say, I've took it into the cupboard.
Yeah.
And it's coming out there, obviously. Yeah, wires coming in. Got these here. These going direct to the battery. Now, like what I could have done was make what they call a block fuse. I'll show you how to do that, but not in this section, if you want to call it, this video. I could have also brought one electric cable, but I'm not. I'm having them both on independent fuses. Right, the cable is going through some conduit there, comes out here. There. Obviously that's for live, because I'm only wiring up the 12 volt, the cigarette. That's all, because I haven't got my motorhome Wi-Fi yet, but it will be coming eventually. Obviously, when wiring up any batteries in parallel,
about 3 hours.
Use earth off one, live off another. Don't go across, otherwise you're just going to drain that one battery. This way, you drain both at the same time. Right, that's it. So what I'm going to do now, because that's quite a simple procedure, you don't need showing how to do that. But you've got to have an inline fuse. In this I've got a 5 amp ample for the wire I'm using, 30 amp wire. Right, I've marked up here where I'm going to be cutting out. Just hoping I've done it right. I hate cutting into furniture. But I'm also hoping that the depth of these will actually sink inside. Then all I have to do is bring the wires from the other side, so what we'll see. Right, I'm going to cut that out now and I'll get back. Right, what I've had to do, forget this here, it's just a bit of silicone. I've put, I can see, some wood underneath, because otherwise it'd be knob to screw to, you know what I mean? So, just trying to do the job right. So anyway, it's okay now, it's all set, everything. Right, yeah, so it basically just fits on very nicely. I got it upside down there, not that it bloody matters. There. So it look alright. Right, thankfully, these here don't need to go through into the cupboard. Just bring the wires through, wire them up here, and push them in, push the wires to the side. So makes life a lot easier. Right, I shall drill an hole here, bring the wires through, and wire it up. Right, for anybody who doesn't know how to wire them, this is what I've been told to do. The live from the battery goes into the com. Yeah? Now, yeah, and then that bit for the TV. The one for the Wi-Fi. This is from the battery, this, to give the power into the com. The one way, that is the power to your appliance. The earth will go directly to the battery. Forget this, the earth goes direct to the battery, or you could actually have earth it somewhere else, you know what I mean? But anyway, mine's going direct to the battery. So that's it. The com is your live, one way, live. So live in, live out. Radio. As I've said, I brought the wires, so these two are going to be ready for when I do fit the Wi-Fi. Right, so there we go. This one here is coming from the battery, the live, and that one there, which is the one-way socket. Won't focus, typical. Anyway, yeah, so do the same with this, but on the other side I'm just going to put a spade. Yeah, ready for when I do. I don't have to take all this off then. Right, so now you know. Wired up. That's for the Wi-Fi, like I say. Right, in case then, oh, what I've done as well. Yeah, there, look. These are all going to go in a casing, a conduit, if you will. So, yeah, so TV, Wi-Fi, needless to say, shouldn't need reminding, that's going to go to TV. The Wi-Fi is going to be there. So, okay. Switches in. Click, click. Telly on. It is. Right, rather than messing around in future with earthing, I made what you call an earthing point. It's basically, obviously, just a block. When you put, if you go like, oh dear me, you know, like that, loop, put your feed into there, and all them become earth. So it just saves up messing around later, especially with my Wi-Fi, because that has two earths. Yeah. Right. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Screw Fix, get some of that plastic stuff, you know, to go down there. So just to tidy everything off. Right, it's all wired up, all the earth's in. Like I say, I've got an earth block now. Yeah, obviously that's going to obviously to the batteries. Right, that's on. Right, what I've done, this 12-volt socket that I've got there, I've put a cigarette lighter thing in. It's yeah, it's a pump. Anyway, it pumps on. Right, so hopefully when you turn the switch it'll fire into fire, and it didn't. Cool. Better turn pump on then. Yeah, pump are off. Right, pump's on. So, all working. Right, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Cheers. Right, so there you have it. You can use 240 with 12 volt. When I bought Stuff Screwfix, they said no. You're wrong. Simple. Yeah, but like I said right at the beginning, I'm no electrician, so you know, if you blow yourself up, cause a fire, anything like that, don't blame me. Right, I'm going. Bye bye.